First, choose a hole saw, which is suitable for your application. Then you need 4 items: the main shaft, and the big nut, drill bit, Allen key. First you need to fix the drill bit into the main shaft. Unscrew the small screw at the main shaft with the Allen key. Then, insert the drill bit and tighten the screw to fix it in place. Then, insert the main shaft as shown, ensuring the flat side of the shaft body matches to the flat side of the hole in the middle. Push the shaft in until it is flush with the hole saw flat surface. Then turn the other side and take the big nut and bolt it in place. If necessary, use a spanner to tighten the nut. The hole saw bit assembly is complete and ready to be inserted into a power drill. Insert to a power drill bit slot and tighten it securely, and it is ready to be used. That's all, and thank you for watching. Hope it helped you. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you.